Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a smartphone mobile banking system works, from opening the banking app to secure transaction processing and account updates. First, the process starts when the user unlocks the smartphone and opens the mobile banking app. The app works as a digital gateway between the customer and the bank's online banking server. Next, the user logs in using a secure method such as password, PIN, fingerprint, Face ID, or OTP. This step helps confirm that the real account holder is trying to access the banking service. After that, the app creates a secure connection with the bank server through mobile data or Wi-Fi. During this connection, encryption such as SSL or TLS helps protect the information so sensitive data cannot be easily read by others. Then, the user selects a banking service from the app. For example, they may check account balance, transfer money, pay bills, recharge mobile balance, make QR payments, or view a mini-statement. Once the user sends a request, the app transfers that instruction to the bank server. The server then checks the account details, login security, available balance, transaction limit, and banking rules before processing the request. Next, the bank system decides whether the transaction can be approved or rejected. If everything is correct, the transaction is approved. But if there is a wrong password, low balance, expired session, or security issue, the transaction may fail. After approval, the account is updated instantly. For example, if money is transferred or a bill is paid, the new balance, payment status, and transaction history are updated inside the mobile banking app. Finally, the user receives confirmation through the app screen, notification, receipt, message, or transaction reference number. This confirmation helps the user know that the banking request has been completed successfully. Moreover, smartphone mobile banking depends on important elements such as the touch screen, camera, fingerprint sensor, processor, battery, SIM network, wireless connection, banking app, and speaker alerts. These parts work together to make mobile banking fast, secure, and convenient. Overall, mobile banking allows users to bank anytime and anywhere using a smartphone. It helps with balance checking, fund transfers, bill payments, mobile recharge, QR payments, and instant alerts, while security features like PIN, OTP, fingerprint, Face ID, encryption, and secure servers help protect the user's money and account information. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.